डेवफेस्ट नोएडा 2025 में, जो कि हो रहा है एक्सपो 8 ग्रेटर नोएडा में। तो आप देख सकते हो मेरे बैक साइड है हमारा वेन्यू। तो आप हुआ करेंगे कि डेवफेस्ट में क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं, आप लोग कैसे अटेंड कर सकते हो, क्या प्रोसेस होता है सिलेक्शन का, और इसमें क्या क्या आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। आज हम इस वीडियो में सारी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे। तो ये कंप्लीट ब्लॉग होने वाला है आपका डेवफेस्ट नोएडा का। चलो अंदर चलते हैं और आपको मैं सारी चीजें दिखाऊंगी कि क्या क्या सेशंस हो रहे हैं और कैसे कैसे हो रहा है। लेट्स
Hello everyone, give me a wave. Hi guys. Woo.
One community, one massive celebration of technology.
One
community, one massive celebration of technology. You are joining over 650 plus curious minds, ready to learn from 40 plus expert speakers across 3 plus dedicated tracks. Look around. You are at DevFest. The stage is set. The sessions are ready. Stories are waiting to be told. So what will you learn? Who will you meet? What will your next first be? This is your day. This is your community. This is your DevFest.
So what again to do at DevFest Noida? There's a lot of networking, a lot of sessions, fun and food of course, and of course a lot of swags as well. So make sure you use it, utilize it to the best of it.
And also, as I said, you have everything handy.
Before you put even a single penny on that particular idea, validate it by talking to people, seeing their behavior online.
Today we're going to be talking about how you can build hybrid AI mobile apps with the help of Gemini.
And found something, you need to know where that came from. Was that actually available somewhere data, or is that just completely imagined?
People in this audience right now have a bit of fear also, like maybe 10% that
started using it. When was the last time you questioned how ChatGPT works?
I have around, now I can say 17 years of experience, and I mainly take care of the UI and UX part of
But how about a brainstorm? हम सोचते कैसे हैं? हम अगर सोच करना तो हम कैसे करते हैं?
I'm very hungry, but that's okay. I will not be giving you normal security lecture. Okay, this will be fun and interactive thing that I will be telling you.
So a lot of you are builders, very few of you I think are designers, but think about the last product that you built or designed.
यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, कम होता जाएगा, डरो।
भाई जेएआई कर लेते हैं, पैसा ही पैसा होगा। That's the first thing that comes into our mind कि भाई एआई क्यों करनी है, क्योंकि पैसा है।
And 80% the way you market it.
or the way you bring things out into the market, right? So
that is present in this room right now. Tell me one IoT device that is present in this room. Come on.
15 to even 25% based upon which country or which area you are living in.
it becomes a very unpredictable roommate you can't uninstall. I'm sure you all must have watched that movie. This was this Ananya Pandey movie, right, where her entire system.
Okay, we'll start with a very simple task.
इसको नहीं पता उसके लिए सरप्राइज दूंगा.
Yeah, that's how things have been. And with that, let's get on to the actual content. Let's do it the TED Talk style.
This is something that I have focused a lot on, like standing on stage takes a lot more than speaking. अगर मैं अभी 2 सेकंड के लिए चुप हो जाऊँ तो मैं भी डर जाऊँगी, आप लोग भी डर जाओगे.
Let's go ahead.
So you must have heard about Spotify now.
Honestly, I think we have already touched 37,000 members already. Overwhelming thing for us to go through. Of course, this stats are wrong. Okay, ये गलत नंबर दिखे यहाँ पे. पता नहीं कि still late and
What it takes to conduct this large scale DevFest. And of course, our Noida, and I would like to call Kavir Mera on the stage for a picture from GDG Noida.
thanks to our media partner.
Wants to join in the hype that our team has? complete